that are inversely proportional tend to throw people quite a lot, but this question is actually perfectly achievable. You just need someone to show you how to do it. Remember, if you want a hard copy of these questions and advanced access to all the rest of them, you can get that in my book. Alpha is inversely proportional to beta squared. When alpha is 100, beta is 20. Find alpha when beta is 25. So if we're talking about inversely proportional, we can say that alpha is equal to k over beta squared. We can now use this to find k. So 100 equals k over 20 squared. 20 squared is 400. So we can say that 100 times 400 equals k, so that k equals 40,000. We can now use this. We can say again that alpha equals k over beta squared. We don't know alpha because that's what we're trying to find out. We know k because we just worked that out. That is 40,000. Beta is 25. So we can now say that alpha equals 64.